Good day everyone, I'm Angelo Rodejera and today I will demonstrating and how to properly announce distress urgency and safety message in maritime communication. So now, let's begin. Mayday, 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 Mayday. This is MB Velasco MSI 218-249 or 600. Call sign Alpha Mike Bravo Delta. Position 72 degrees 15 decimal 15 minutes north 009 degrees for 4 minutes. I'm sinking. I require immediate assistance. I have 4 people on board, including 2 casualties. We have launched 2 lifeboats. One lifeboat has 3 people on board, including the casualties. The over lifeboat has 1 person on board. Over. Pan. All stations. This is 218-249 or 600. Motor vessel, Velasco. Call sign. Alpha Mike Bravo Delta. Positions 72 degrees 15 decimal 10 minutes north 009 degrees. 44 minutes I have problems with engine. I require tug assistance. Over. All ships. In area Peter Rip. This is 218-249 or 600. Motor vessel, Velasco. Call sign Alpha Mike Bravo Delta. Dangerous wreck located in positions 2 nautical miles south or Peter Rip. Over.